So this routine is called sandwich chercheur. It's a sandwich routine, as you might have understood, because the word in French is the same. It's one of the first that I created, so I'm quite proud of it. I do it very, very often, and I share it with you today. So you need a deck of cards, on which I prepared 2 cards that we're going to look right after. I pass the card and the spectator stops me whenever he wants, so he can choose this card, this card, this card, whatever. Okay, let's say he picks this one. Just remember the card, and then it is lost back in the deck. Now, do you have any idea of the 2 cards that are here? Yes, no, maybe? These are 2 kings, more specifically the 2 black kings, King of Spades and King of Clubs. And these 2 kings are going to find the chosen card. We're going to try to make it happen in a very, very magical way. Just by snapping the fingers, your card is going to appear between the 2 black kings. Okay? I do nothing. Look. Just like this. And in just a snap of fingers, 1 card appeared between the 2 black kings. The spectator names his cards, 10 of hearts, and the card is found in the 2 black kings. So that's the sandwich effect. Of course, there must be a big finale. And the big finale is when you just rub the 2 kings on the 10 of hearts, you find 2 other 10s, and just by riffling the deck like this, the last one appears inside the box. So that is sandwich chercheur.